Now we are going to discuss the ninth problem. Ninth problem, a mirror produces real and 3 times enlarged image. Real and 3 times enlarged image means magnification. Magnification m is equal to real and 3 times. Real means negative, then 3 times enlarged. So negative 3 at a distance of 30 centimeter from the pole. That means image distance. Image distance V is equal to 30 centimeter, but it is negative because it is a real image, because it is a real image always formed in front of the mirror, isn't it? Then find the position of the object. That means object distance you should find out. Object distance you should find it out. And then focal length. Focal length f you should find. Then identify the mirror. How will you identify the mirror? Here it is given real and 3 times enlarged image. Real image can be formed by only concave mirror. So from this itself we can identify the mirror. The mirror is concave mirror. So first you have to write here the mirror produces real and 3 times enlarged image. So it is a concave mirror, because concave mirror only can produce real and inverted image. Okay, now we have to find object distance u and focal length f. So first you have to use the magnification formula. So we know magnification m is equal to negative v by u. Okay, so negative 3 is equal to negative of negative 30 divided by u. Isn't it? So from this u you have to find u is equal to negative. Here negative and negative become positive, so 30. So u here it will go. So we can write 30. Here negative and negative become positive, and 30 divided by negative 3. So you will get negative 10 centimeter. So this will be the object distance u. Okay, you got. Then mirror formula. To find focal length we know 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So 1 by negative 30 plus 1 by negative 10. So 30 LCM, and negative you should take it outside because it is common. Okay, then negative 30. So here 30 is the LCM. Then 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So that is equal to negative 4 by 30. Isn't it? Now this is 1 by f. So f is equal to 30 by 4. So you will get 7, 28, balance 2, then 20. 20 it is 5, isn't it? So 7.5, and here it is negative 7.5 centimeter. Is it clear? So here 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by negative 30 plus 1 by negative 10. So here you can write negative of 1 by 30 plus 1 by 10. Isn't it? So here negative of 1 plus 3 divided by 30. 30 is the LCM. So negative 4 by 30. So f is equal to negative 30 by 4. That is equal to negative 7.5 centimeter. So this is the answer, focal length. Okay, then identify the mirror means I told you it is a concave mirror, and here focal length also negative. Then represent it with a diagram. What is the position of the object here? focal length now you got 7.5, then object distance negative 10. So what will be the position? R means radius of curvature, double of it, isn't it? So that is 15 centimeter. So object distance 10. So 7.5, 10, between 7.5 and 15. 10 means between 7.5 and 15. That means between C and F. The position is between C and F. So you have to draw the diagram. P, then F, then C. Here you should keep the object, and then this is focal length 7.5 centimeter, and then object distance 10 centimeter, then parallel light ray after reflection passing through the principal focus, then light ray passing through the focus after reflection go parallel to the principal axis. So you should draw it rightly and should be formed beyond C. Okay, so diagram you should take a correct measurement and draw. Is it clear to you? I will draw it again. Here P, then F, then C, and here it is 7.5 centimeter. You should keep the object here, and then the light ray here it is 10 centimeter. A light ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection passing through the focus, and the light ray passing through the principal focus after reflection go parallel. So you will get the image beyond C. Okay, so that is 30 centimeter. Okay, that is 30 centimeter. In this way you should mention on the diagram also. Okay, don't forget to put the arrow mark. This is the way of representing the problem in a diagram. Okay.